Hey there, fellow knowledge seekers. Ever wish you had a helpful pal who could answer any question, write a poem, or even help you brainstorm ideas? Well, guess what? Now you do, and its name is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is like having a super smart computer program right at your fingertips. It can understand what you're saying, answer your questions, and even create new things based on your instructions. It's like magic, but it's science. Imagine a giant library filled with books, articles, and information on just about everything. Now picture a friendly librarian who knows that library like the back of their hand. That's ChatGPT. It's a computer program that has been trained on a massive amount of text and code. This means it can understand human language, learn from conversations, and even generate different creative text formats like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, and so on. Pretty cool, right?
Ready to meet your new best friend? Getting started with ChatGPT is super easy. First, you'll need to create a free account on the ChatGPT website. It's quick and painless, I promise. Once you're logged in, you'll see a chat window where you can start typing your questions or requests. That's it, you're now ready to unleash the power of ChatGPT.
Writer's block got you down? ChatGPT to the rescue. Whether you're struggling to write an email, a blog post, or even a full-blown essay, ChatGPT can help. Simply tell ChatGPT what you want to write about, and it can generate ideas, suggest different writing styles, and even help you overcome writer's block. It's like having a personal writing assistant available 24/7.
Section 5 ChatGPT for Research Your Personal Librarian. Remember that giant library we talked about? Imagine walking through endless aisles of books, each one filled with knowledge on every topic you can think of. Well, ChatGPT is the key to unlocking all that knowledge. It's like having a master key that opens the door to a treasure trove of information. If you need to research a topic for school, work, or just for fun, ChatGPT can help. Whether you're writing a paper, preparing a presentation, or simply curious about a subject, ChatGPT is there to assist you. Just ask your question, and ChatGPT will search through its vast database of information to provide you with relevant answers, articles, and even links to further reading. It's like having a search engine, encyclopedia, and personal assistant all rolled into one. It's like having a personal librarian at your beck and call. Imagine having someone who knows exactly where to find the information you need and can deliver it to you instantly. No more sifting through countless websites or books. ChatGPT does the heavy lifting for you. And the best part? ChatGPT learns from your interactions. The more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your preferences and providing you with the most relevant information. It's like having a librarian who gets to know you better over time. So next time you have a question or need to dive deep into a topic, remember that ChatGPT is your personal librarian, ready to help you unlock the doors to knowledge and make your research journey smoother and more enjoyable.
Section 6. Brainstorming with ChatGPT. Ideas galore. Feeling stuck in a creative rut? It happens to the best of us. Sometimes, no matter how hard we try, the ideas just don't flow. But what if you had a tool that could spark your creativity and help you break through those mental blocks? ChatGPT can help you brainstorm new ideas for projects, stories, or even business ventures. Imagine having a digital assistant that can provide you with a fresh perspective, offering suggestions that you might not have considered. Whether you're working on a novel, planning a marketing campaign, or developing a new product, ChatGPT can be your go-to brainstorming partner. Just tell it what you're working on, and it can generate a list of potential ideas, concepts, and solutions. You can ask it to help you with specific aspects of your project, like coming up with a catchy title, outlining a plot, or even suggesting ways to improve your business strategy. ChatGPT can help you think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions you might never have thought of on your own. It's like having a brainstorming buddy who's always full of fresh ideas, ready to inspire you whenever you need it. Plus, it can adapt to your style and preferences, making the brainstorming process even more personalized and effective. It's like having a brainstorming buddy who's always full of fresh ideas. So, the next time you find yourself in need of a creative boost, remember that ChatGPT is here to help. With its ability to generate a wide range of ideas and solutions, you'll never have to face a creative block alone again. Embrace the power of technology and let ChatGPT be your guide to endless possibilities.
Section 7. Talking to ChatGPT, the art of the prompt. ChatGPT is super smart, but it's also a creature of habit. It can process vast amounts of information and generate responses that are incredibly accurate and insightful. However, like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how you use it. To get the best results, you need to learn how to talk to it using clear, concise language. This means being specific about what you want and avoiding vague or ambiguous terms. The more precise you are, the better ChatGPT can understand your needs. This is where prompts come in. A well-crafted prompt can make all the difference in the quality of the response you receive. Think of a prompt as a guide that directs ChatGPT's attention to the specific information or task you want it to focus on. A prompt is simply a question or instruction you give to ChatGPT. It can be as simple as asking for the weather, or as complex as requesting a detailed analysis of a scientific paper. The key is to be clear and specific. The more specific and detailed your prompt, the better ChatGPT will be able to understand what you're looking for and provide you with accurate and helpful responses. For example, instead of asking, "Tell me about space," you could ask, "Explain the process of star formation in the Milky Way galaxy." This gives ChatGPT a clear direction and helps it generate a more focused and informative response. Crafting effective prompts is an art that takes practice. Start by thinking about what you really want to know or achieve. Break down your request into smaller, manageable parts if necessary. This will help you formulate a prompt that is both clear and comprehensive. Experiment with different types of prompts to see what works best. You might find that some prompts yield better results than others. Don't be afraid to tweak and refine your prompts as you go along. The more you practice, the better you'll become at communicating with ChatGPT. Remember, the goal is to make your interaction with ChatGPT as productive and efficient as possible. By mastering the art of the prompt, you can unlock the full potential of this powerful tool and get the most out of your conversations with it.
Section 8. ChatGPT at work. Boost your productivity. ChatGPT isn't just a fun tool for personal use. It can also be a powerful asset in the workplace. From writing emails and reports to creating presentations and even coding, ChatGPT can help you streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Imagine being able to write reports in half the time or generate compelling marketing copy with just a few clicks. With ChatGPT, you can.
Section 9. ChatGPT for students. Ace those assignments. Attention, all students. ChatGPT can be your secret weapon for acing those assignments and impressing your teachers. From researching topics and generating essay outlines to proofreading your work and even helping you learn a new language, ChatGPT can make your academic life a whole lot easier. Just remember to use ChatGPT responsibly and ethically. It's a tool to help you learn and grow, not to do your work for you.
Section 10. ChatGPT for fun. Explore your creativity. Who says learning can't be fun? ChatGPT can be a playground for your imagination. Use it to write poems, songs, or even short stories. Challenge it to create different scenarios or dialogue between fictional characters. The possibilities are endless. Let your creativity run wild and see what amazing things you can create with ChatGPT.
Section 11, ChatGPT. The future is now. ChatGPT is more than just a cool new technology. It's a glimpse into the future of how we interact with computers and information. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications for tools like ChatGPT. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of ChatGPT and discover the endless possibilities that await.